Let's draw a baby elephant. We need to start with the head and the trunk. Now let's add ears, eyes, and eyebrows. Great job! Now let's draw the body. Elephants are heavy, so they need thick legs in order to support their weight. Let's color! Do you know where elephants live? Yes, Africa. Great job. But did you know they also live in Asia? Do you know what a real elephant looks like? Do you want to see? How did we do? I think our drawing came out really nice. Great job! Too warm with the animals. Splash! Let's draw a shark! Let's start with the body. Tail and a shark fin. We need some eyes and eyebrows. We need a nose and a smile, but we can't forget the teeth. Okay, let's color. Do you know where sharks live? Yes, the ocean. There are all kinds of sharks, but the whale shark is the biggest shark in the world, even bigger than a bus. Do you know what a real shark looks like? Do you want to see? I think we did a great job. What other animals would you like to draw?